Hey guys, today let's learn how to summarize a YouTube video using ChatGPT. So if you guys are wondering how to summarize a YouTube video using ChatGPT, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to use this step by step. So directly working with YouTube, basically ChatGPT does not work directly with YouTube. But there is a workaround in order for us to actually summarize a YouTube video. And in order for us to do this, what we actually need to do first is to locate the specific YouTube video that we would like to get a summarization of. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and try to get a summarization of this video right here. And by default, we actually have this transcript and summary using this feature that we have over here. So we can actually go ahead and open ChatGPT with this. And how do we actually have this summarization option? Well, in order for us to actually have this, of course, I actually have the ChatGPT installed on my device using AI PRM for ChatGPT. And what this is it actually allows me to use ChatGPT as an extension for me to actually use it with YouTube and other options as well. So from here, I would like you guys to proceed with actually downloading the AI PRM extension. As you would notice right here, I'm going to go ahead and proceed to the Google Extensions website, and I'm going to go ahead and add the AI PRM for ChatGPT. What this is going to do is it's going to allow me to actually have an extension of ChatGPT to use with other features on my browser. In this case, I've already have it downloaded. And as you would notice, we have this feature of the transcript and summary right here. I want you to tap on View AI Summary, and that's what I just did a while ago. And now basically the transcription is going to be entered on ChatGPT, and we do have two responses of the summarization of that specific video. We could also enter a prompt, and let's say create a summary of the text above. And from here, we have now the summary of the whole video, which ChatGPT is currently creating. And it's that easy, guys, to create your own summary from YouTube videos using ChatGPT. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.